Hi dessert lovers, today we are making something truly special, strawberry milk jelly. Let's start by washing and cutting 500 grams of fresh strawberries into pieces. Now add 30 grams of sugar to the strawberries, mix well and let them marinate for an hour. After marinating, add 50 grams of rock sugar to the strawberries and cook over high heat until thickened, preserving the strawberry pulp. Now the next step begins. In a separate bowl, combine 600 grams of milk with 40 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of strawberry jams. Also add 250 grams of whipping cream and 15 grams of gelatin tablets. Mix everything together thoroughly. Now the fun part begins. Pour this mixture into cute cups and refrigerate until it gets solid. And there you have it, our amazing strawberry milk jelly is ready to enjoy. It's seriously delicious, so give it a try. If you like this recipe, remember to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.